At this moment, you have two operating systems in front of you. In one, Free Fire is running at 15 to 20 FPS, while in the other, it's running at 25 to 30 FPS. Both operating systems are installed on the same laptop and are based on the same Phoenix OS. But why such a significant difference in FPS? Well, the biggest reason is Gearlock, which has not only tweaked this particular Android OS, but also, due to root access, unlocked FPS in many games. In fact, the black screen issue that we used to encounter after launching the game is also fixed after installing Gearlock. So now let's move on to the computer screen.
Let's roll.
Alright, I've arrived at the PC screen, and as you can see, I have the light version of Bliss OS installed. Today, I'll be adding the Gearlock extension to this OS. You can choose any Android OS you prefer, but I personally find Bliss OS to be the best. So I'll be installing Gearlock on it. To install Gearlock, you'll need four things. First, you'll need an Android OS. Second, you'll need the Termux APK. Third, you'll need ES File Explorer. And finally, you'll need the Gearlock file. Firstly, you'll need to double-click on the ES File Explorer file to install it. Once it's installed, simply open it. Then, navigate to the directory where you saved all the files. From there, you'll need to copy the Gearlock extension file and paste it into the download folder, which you'll find in the main Android storage. Next, in the following step, you'll need to double-click on the Termux file to install it. Now, our main task begins from here, so you must not skip the video at all. Otherwise, you'll end up facing issues. Once Termux is installed, open it. When you open it, it will start installing some additional packages, so let it do its job. Now, our real work is about to begin. So pay close attention to the video and enter the same commands that I do. I'll provide a link to a text file in the description where you'll find all the commands you need. Firstly, you need to type SU and then press enter and wait for a few seconds. Now, a dialog box will appear asking for permission. You need to click on the grant button. Next, type cp /SD card /download /gearlock /data and press enter. Then, type cd /data and press enter. After that, type chmod /777 gearlock and press enter. Finally, type ./gearlock and press enter. After that, it will ask you in which partition you have installed the Android OS at. For example, if I have installed this Android OS on drive number 5, I will type 5 and then press enter. Alright, the installation of Gearlock has started, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Once this process is complete, press enter and your PC will reboot. After rebooting, you will see the Gearlock boot screen, where it will install some additional files. So, guys, we finally successfully installed Gearlock, and let me show you. Here's Gearlock. Let's open it up and learn a bit about it. When you launch Gearlock for the first time, it will prompt you to maximize the window. Make sure to maximize it, otherwise it won't work. Here, you'll find plenty of options, along with some pre-built games within this extension. Apart from that, you can fully customize your Android OS to your liking and further tweak it using Gearlock. Overall, this is quite good. If you're experiencing black screen issues in many games, installing Gearlock should significantly fix that problem, and you'll also notice better performance in games. If you have any confusion or questions, you can connect with me on Facebook or Instagram. The links are in the description. And if you're looking for the best Android OS for your PC, click on the video on the right, and I'll see you there.